Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about cross-site scripting leading to session hijacking. So it is the part 1 for this topic. Today I'm going to discuss about attacker point of view, and in later video, which is called as part 2 video, I'm going to discuss about developer point of view and how we can fix the vulnerability. So without wasting time, let me open my vulnerable application. It is my vulnerable application which I have written. Let me open my burp switch. Okay, let me log in. Yeah, I have logged into my application. Here I am able to see two functionalities. One is leave a comment and another one is all comments. Let us quickly analyze what it is and what is going to happen. I am entering my name and I am entering, please like, share and subscribe to my channel as a comment, and I am submitting it out. It got submitted. Okay, what calls that it is making? It is making post based call to API with the whatever data that we are giving as a payload, and as a result we are getting comment saved successfully. It is all about that. And what it is, if I click on view all comments in the back end, it is hitting this endpoint with the get based. It is giving me all the comments. Okay, this is about this two functionalities. Let me see the page source for this. If I can read the page source, if I can focus on view all comments, if I click on view all comments, it will call upon this view all comments function. Here it is hitting API URL that I have mentioned, this one. Okay, after hitting that API endpoint, it will give us the data, all the comments, and front end will take this name comment and it will form HTML, and it will display in the front end in the HTML form. Okay, since it is displaying in the HTML form, can I able to do any cross-site scripting attacks? Let me test for that. Let me copy my XSS payload from the GitHub repo. Here I am entering XSS test as name. I'm pasting my XSS payload. I am submitting. It got submitted. Let me see whether it is rendering or not. If I click on view all comments, see name is displaying. Hooray! Yeah, it is being rendered and I am getting a alert or the pop-up. Okay, so this application is vulnerable to cross-site scripting. Now I want to check for one more condition. Can I able to steal the cookies from this website? Let me check if it is following HTTP only true. I think it is not following it. Then the client side script can able to access the cookie like this. Okay, let me paste my payload, which is a cookie stealing payload. Let me copy the cookie stealing payload here in the open GitHub repo. I am getting my cookie stealing payload in image source equal to X. On error, it will try to hit this endpoint. Okay, so I have to write one cookie listener server, and I have to send this cookie to that server. So let me copy this and let me paste it here. Let me write my cookie listener. See, here I have written a simple Express.js script which can listen the cookie. Okay, it is listening on 3000. Let me form that. Localhost 3000, and here I'm expecting this endpoint, so I have to paste it, and later request.query cookie I'm expecting I should paste, and after that I am adding document.cookie. Okay, this payload I have to insert. Before inserting, let me run this cookie listener. I'm running it on my local host. I will copy this payload and I will paste it here. Steal cookies. I'm pasting it here and I am submitting. Later I'm clicking on view all comments. Okay, can I able to steal? Yeah, to my server this cookie I am getting. Okay, let me paste this cookie into my browser, and let me actually take over his account, I mean Raju account. Here there is a Raju account, so I got his cookie. Let me take over his cookie. How we can inject this? Go for incognito mode, and if I click on this one, see, here is the one. I don't have cookie, but after login we know it will redirect to home page. Here it is showing forbidden, but let me go and paste that cookie that I'm getting. I should place this key value here, and I should paste the value here. Okay, let me now refresh. Oh, see, I'm able to access Raju's account. So yeah, here I injected his cookie and I'm able to access his account. So this is how we can hijack the cookies or steal the cookies if there is XSS and if there is no HTTP only set to true. Yeah, in similar fashion, suppose instead of Raju's account, suppose if I'll just log out and let me open with another one, remo@gmail.com, use password. Let me see whether his access token I'm getting or not. If I click on view comments, okay, let me see, I'm able to get remo@gmail.com access token. Let me prove that. If I copy it and if I paste it here, see, here it is the Remo user access token. So in similar way I can inject his cookie in the browser and I can able to access his account like I have shown you, right? So if I go to this one, if I paste, if I inject his cookie key and value here, then I can able to access Remo account. I placed it here. I click on home. Yeah, hooray! Without authentication, I'm able to access his account since I got his cookie. Yeah, that is all about today. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.